Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to redeem League of Legends gift card online. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your web browser and inside the URL box type in shop.riotgames.com/redeem and press enter on your keyboard. Now you'll end up on this page where you can easily enter your redemption code. Type in your League of Legends redemption code that you have available in the text box and click on the redeem code button in order to complete your redemption. Follow through the prompts till the end. You may also need to log into your account. Go ahead and enter your credentials to your account, and then you will be able to follow through the prompts and complete your redemption for League of Legends. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.